Hi, I am Jahirul Islam. I completed my 10th and 12th standard from Modesar High School. I earned my BSc Computer Science degree from Damdam Motijil Science College with 9.1 CGPA. I pursued my MCA from Macawood, that is formerly known as West Bengal University of Technology, with securing 8.27 CGPA. During my BSc and master degree, I explored lots of technology, including Manstack and machine learning. During my master degree, I published two research papers on machine learning field. One is phishing URL detection and second one is spam email detection. I come from very supportive family. I have two brothers. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. Currently, I am interning on Macawood placement cell on Siddhi apps. It is working on machine learning field. My role is a ML engineer. Thank you.